In this video, we're going to see how French people introduce themselves with real-life examples. Salut, I'm Marie, I am a French native teacher and I help French learners to understand and use the French language. If you are serious about learning French, join us at the French Club to know more about how to learn French and get notified each time a new video or a new workshop is uploaded. C'est parti! First speaker, first way to introduce yourself in French, so listen.
Je m'appelle Barbara, je suis parolière, musicienne, chanteuse.
She's so gorgeous, isn't she? But did you understand what she said? She introduced herself with probably the first sentence all French learners start with, Je m'appelle. So what's her name?
Je m'appelle Barbara.
Barbara. Je m'appelle Barbara. It literally translates to I am called Barbara, or in correct English, my name is Barbara. Then she simply states her occupation by using the verb to be.
Je suis parolière, musicienne, chanteuse.
Je suis musicienne, parolière, chanteuse. I am a musician, a lyricist, and a singer. Easy, right? You can do the exact same thing by using this combination. Je m'appelle, je suis. For example, je m'appelle Marie, je suis professeur de français. Now, that's the most basic way to introduce yourself in French, but usually, especially in casual conversations, French people tend to say this instead.
Alors je suis Oshi, je fais de la musique et je viens de sortir mon deuxième album Sommeil Levant il n'y a pas longtemps.
A little bit more casual, we have Oshi here. She says,
Alors je suis Oshi.
Je suis Oshi. Not je m'appelle, but je suis. So I am, which is what most French people will say. It's much more natural than je m'appelle. But did you pick up on what she does?
Je fais de la musique.
Je fais de la musique. I'm making music. We have an action verb here. And unless their job has a specific title, like a doctor or an engineer or a lawyer, that's probably how a French person will introduce themselves. Je fais de la musique. I make music. Je donne des cours de français. I give French lessons. Je travaille pour Amazon. I work for Amazon. This way is a lot more natural, less formal, and when you meet French people, that's probably how they will speak to you. Je suis, and then je with an action verb. Unless they want to be even more casual.
Moi c'est Marc-Antoine, j'ai 25 ans et je suis agriculteur en Picardie et je me suis lancé sur TikTok depuis 6 mois maintenant sous le pseudo agriculteur.
In this extract, we don't have je m'appelle, we don't have je suis, we have
Moi c'est Marc-Antoine.
Moi c'est. Literally me it's, or in correct English, me I'm. Did you catch the name of the speaker?
Moi c'est Marc-Antoine.
Moi c'est Marc-Antoine. I am Marc-Antoine. Amongst friends, when you meet someone new, this is probably the sentence you'll hear the most. Moi c'est. Moi c'est Marie. You might be noticing an accent here. That's the accent from Picardie in northern France, which is where I am from. He then uses a standard way to say what he does. Did you pick up on that? What does Marc-Antoine do?
Je suis agriculteur en Picardie et je me suis lancé sur TikTok depuis 6 mois maintenant sous le pseudo agriculteur.
Give me the answer in the comments and I'll tell you if you're right or not. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a good old thumbs up, and if you want more French lessons from me, a good place to start is my playlist called French Lessons. À la prochaine!